Linker HR Quick Learning Bytes, your one-stop shop for bite-sized HR insights designed to support Linker managers. Each session spotlights a topic to strengthen your leadership toolkit, enhance team engagement, and keep you informed on HR best practices. Session 5, Employee Notes and Document Uploads in ADP. ADP's employee notes and document upload features provide a streamlined way to capture and organize key information related to employee growth and performance. Managers can use the employee notes section to record insights from one-on-one meetings, coaching conversations, and development check-ins all in one place. The document upload feature allows you to attach supporting materials like development plans or performance feedback, helping you build a well-rounded view of each employee's progress over time. Together, these tools support more informed talent decisions and personalized development planning. Employee notes within ADP. Once managers are logged into ADP, they will navigate to the Employee Notes section by clicking the My Team dropdown and selecting Employee Notes under the Personal Information section. Once in this section, managers will click the blue Add Note button. Here, they will add subject line as well as the desired notes and click Submit. Notes added within the Employee Notes section of ADP by managers are not visible to employees. The employee notes can be utilized to document performance observations, positive or constructive, coaching and development discussions, behavioral concerns or incidents, attendance or leave concerns, succession planning thoughts, etc. On the next slide, we will walk through how to add a manager note to an employee profile within ADP. Once managers are logged into their ADP account, they can click the My Team dropdown at the top of the page and select Employee Notes under the Personal Information section of the My Team tab. Here, they can use the Search for People function to search within their team for who they're looking to add notes for. In this case, I only have Nick reporting to me, so he's the first person that comes up. From here, managers will select the blue Add Note button. And here you can add a subject line and then a description for what the notes are that you're wanting to add to the employee profile. And then you can hit submit. And below you'll see all of the notes previously added to the employee profile. Next, we'll go over the Employee Documents function within ADP. Managers can navigate to the Employee Documents section of an employee's profile by clicking the My Team dropdown. Then they'll select Employee Documents under the Employment section. After this is selected, managers can search for the desired employee using the blue Search People button at the top of the page. Once the manager is within the employee's document section, they will be able to see all the current employee documents such as W-2s, promotion letters, offer letters, spot bonus memos, resumes, etc. There will be a blue Upload button at the top right of the page. Managers will select this and upload any documents they would like. Documents uploaded onto the Employee Document tabs are visible to employees. Managers can use this function to upload one-on-one notes, career growth and feedback notes, discussed succession plans, etc. On the next slide, we'll walk through how to upload a document to an employee's profile within ADP. Once managers are within ADP, they'll start by clicking the My Team dropdown. Here they can select Employee Documents under the Employment section. Once here, they can use this blue Search for People option to search for people on their team. As we see here, Nick is my only direct report, so he's the only person who shows up. If we scroll down, we can see all of the documents, 28 of them, already uploaded for Nick within his employee profile. These consist of spot bonuses, W-2s, signed offer letters, certificates, professional development, training, etc. We can go ahead and add a document by clicking the blue Upload button at the top right. Here we'll click Search, and for the sake of this video, we're just going to upload the PowerPoint for this HR Quick Learning Byte. And then we can scroll down and click the blue Next button. And here you're able to add a display name choose from various categories of notes. For this one, we'll just select profile. We can hit effective dates and expiration dates, as well as adding additional tags if we wanted to add one-on-one meetings, succession planning tags, etc. Once we're done with this, we'll go ahead and click the Finish button, and we can see that it's the first document that uploads here, and that will complete the document upload for employees within ADP. This will conclude this installment of Linker HR Quick Learning Bytes. If you have any suggested topics for future HR Quick Learning Bytes, please reach out to Jackie Williams at jwilliams@linker.com.